That ain't fat, that's muscle.
Maybe she got a little gut on it.
Them mosquitoes just fucking line up and snort that stuff.
I fucking grab this fucking syringe.
Them mosquitoes love that stuff. Now that's a fire right there on the Black River. Have a meteor shower. Not. Yeah, there's another fire. All you goofy bastards watching this film now, just laugh your ass away. Uh-oh. We found us a jet ski. Check this out.
Salvage rights.
Salvage rights. It's got a big old hole in it. We found it upside down. So we drained it out, drag it up on shore. Now we're gonna try to fix it. River dogs. Salvaging some shit. Right on.
Let's make a duct tape commercial for you, done.
Yes. This is awesome. On the Black River. Sunday. Around 2 o'clock or so. Probably an insurance job. They just left it here. Found it floating underneath the water right there. Yeah. Get it nice and clean. Patch the hell out of it. Some good old duct tape.
Bionic duct tape.
Should we scratch it? You got, I don't know if I grip it, will it?
Oh, yeah.
Need a knife?
Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
That'll work. We can float this thing on down to the nearest people. And we'll just give it to the first person we see. Here you go, here's a jet ski.
You don't want to get that fiberglass in here.
Get that good. More the better. I think that'll work pretty good so far. I bet you we can float this sumbitch upside down.
But we probably won't have to.
patch that little hole in the top there. I'll go ahead and wipe it off. A couple holes right here. Nice and clean. Yes. There we go. Down the highway. It's a little muddy. Some poor Joey crashed and burnt.
It's got a 97 sticker on there.
97? So he bought it 97. Probably been trying to sell it ever since. Said, fuck it, I'm gonna crash it, turn into insurance. Be done with it. Think that's gonna hold, or should we put another crisscross layer on it?
I think that'll hold it.
Right on. We got, there's two little holes over here. How about I ride on this thing, Jared, and you can pull the canoes? I'll paddle this motherfucker. Yeah. A badass little ski, man. There.
Say now it's time for the test.
Oh yeah? You got that hole up?
Pick up the front end. I'll pick up the front end and move her back and see if it's sticking on.
Well, we could pull it on out in the water. It should float down.
Floating motherfucker now.
Yeah, it's gonna float now. Woo! Check it out, it's floating without us. All right, let's tie it on and get on down the river. Two. Good man, Jared.
I didn't see my resume. Fiberglass repairman.
Duct tape specialist. Let's wash this boy off. Can't have a dirty rig.